Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I thought I'd share a few Halloween cards that I've made yesterday. I have several Halloween cards to make, but I usually make the same design for my coworkers and just send those off to them. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. So I purchased this super cute paper pad from Mintay. It's called the Halloween Book, and has some adorable designs in it, and it's basically for fussy cutting. So I purchased it thinking that I could use my brother's scan and cut to cut out these adorable critters and pumpkins and everything. Well, it didn't work out the way I planned. I couldn't get the scan and cut to really, it would only really cut out this guy on this page. And I don't know, I hadn't used it in a while, and I got super frustrated because it was taking a lot of time trying to not only remember how to use it, but then to get it to work like I wanted. So it never did happen. So I was very disappointed because I wanted to use these in my Halloween cards for my coworkers. So what I decided to do was, in frustration, I just used the really pretty paper side on some of the pages here, and it's really pretty paper, but like I said, that's not why I bought this Halloween book, but I made it work, and maybe I'll take a crack at using my brother's scan and cut again to try to cut out some of the images. We'll see, because I cannot fussy cut. I just don't have the fussy cut gene. I don't know. I also use this really cute cat scrappiness die set. I've been having this for years. And then I have the square version. It's called Distress Edge Rectangles. And it just gives that kind of worn or, to me, spooky look. So that's why I used it. So let me show you the cards I made. So what I ended up doing was just kind of making a basic little design and just letting the paper be just cute. So I just printed out Happy Halloween on some heavier cardstock paper I have that can go through my printer. And then I layered it up with some foam, and which I cut out using the die. And then I cut out just some glitter paper, layered the really cute pattern paper with paper from my stash from Joann. It's basil paper. Just super simple. I did put some gems on some of them just to kind of elevate it, but I'm pretty sure that they're gonna like the cards. A little simple, but I needed to, kind of hurry up and get them done. So most of them I used the orange glitter paper, and this is glitter paper that I purchased in the past from Cricut, which I don't believe they sell anymore, which is the best glitter paper because it doesn't shed or anything, and it cuts really well. So that's the one design. And then here's the little pumpkins with the black pumpkin, and I have black gems on this one and this one too. And then here's the black cat. I don't know, I just put the Halloween to the side just so you could see more of the little kitties. And then I put some orange, I think I got these orange gems at Hobby Lobby. And there are those. And then this one, like I say, the paper is pretty. If it had maybe some glitter on it or something, maybe it would have elevated it more, but I'm going with it. And then this last one here. So that's my first, I think this is 9 cards that I made. And I'll be able to get these in the mail. I still have a few more to go. And then I'll be able to start on my Thanksgiving cards, which I don't have that many, and then my Christmas. So there you are. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're just watching this video and you haven't subscribed, I appreciate if you would subscribe and follow me here on YouTube. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.